welcome to DOCTORS NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in some basic concepts of chemistry. This is the first lesson in 11th standard. Now let us see the first sum. See the first sum. What is the weight of oxygen required for the complete combustion of 2.8 gram or kilogram of ethylene? Option A 2.8 kilogram, option B 6.4 kilogram, option C 9.6 kilogram, option D 96 kilogram. Next one. Second question. An element X has the following isotopic composition. X, its atomic mass is given, that is, this X isotope is 90%. Again, X 199 isotope is 8.0%. The same X 202 isotope 2.0%. The weight average atomic mass of the naturally occurring element X is closest to what they are asking. Okay. Option A 201 AMU, option B 202 AMU, option C 199 AMU. Atomic mass unit, Option D 200 AMU. Third question is the total number of valence electrons in 4.2 gram of N3 minus ion is, the Avogadro number is given, Option A 2.1 N of A means Avogadro number. Okay. Option B 4.2 N of A, option C 1.6 N of A, option D 3.2 N of A. Fourth one is the number of oxygen atom in 4.4 gram of CO2 is dash. Option A 1.2 into 10 power 23, option B 6 into 10 power 22, option C 6 into 10 power 23, option D 12 into 10 power 23. See the next one, fifth question. The number of moles of hydrogen molecule required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber's process is dash. Option A 40, option B 10, option C 20, option D 30. Next one, sixth question. 10 gram of hydrogen and 64 gram of oxygen were filled in steel vessel and exploded. Amount of water produced in this reaction will be dash. Option A 3 mole, option B 4 mole, option C 1 mole, option D 2 moles. Last question, seventh question. The amount of zinc required to produce 224 ml of H2 at STP on treatment with dilute H2SO4 will be dash. Option A 65 gram, option B 0.065 gram, option C 0.65 gram, option D 6.5 gram. So students, these are the 7 questions. The answer will be given in the next problem solving session.